When my marriage ended, I felt broken. I thought love was no longer possible. Then I saw this message and it brought me peace. Once you buy something, don't compare prices later. Eat what you enjoy and don't carry any regret. Love deeply and don't doubt your choice. If it ends, let it go without bitterness. Every decision comes with its own cost. The people you meet are meant to be in your life. They are there to teach you something. I believe I'm always where I'm meant to be. I experience what I need to experience. I meet the people I'm meant to meet. If it's meant to happen, you can't avoid it. If it's not meant to be, it won't happen. When it's time, people come together. When it's over, they part ways. Feelings should always be genuine. Once it's over, move on without regret. Don't see encounters as losses. Let things flow naturally. May every choice you make feel right. May every meeting bring something beautiful. Follow your heart and find peace wherever life takes you. Feeling anxious or overwhelmed? Subscribe to Find Peace. Meditation opens the door to calm. Embrace balance and clarity each day. Click the next video to begin your practice.